Case how to check login activity on Facebook or Instagram. So first of all, when you open up Facebook app, as you can see now settings icons is disappeared. So you basically just swipe from bottom to top, as you can see like on my screen, and you will see menu section. Now we just hit the three lines top left corner. Then you should tap on settings and privacy, and then proceed to settings. Next step, you will see Meta Accounts Center. Tap see more in Account Center. You'll see password and security over here. Tap on it. Then tap on where you logging it in. Select your Facebook account or Instagram. For example, I select Facebook. And here you will see account login activity. To log out of one of them, just tap on select devices to log out. Then select one of this account and tap log out. And so you can do in Instagram, just go back, select Instagram account, then scroll all the way down, you will see select devices to log out, then select one of or select all and tap on log out at the bottom of the screen.